Hello, and welcome to our podcast. The 12 Powers of Man by Charles Fillmore, and a companion piece, Christ Enthroned in Man by Cora Dietrich Fillmore. When Charles Fillmore studied the life, teachings, death, and resurrection of Jesus, he discovered 12 powers that, when developed, can lead to a life of unspeakable joy and glory. Fillmore wrote The 12 Powers of Man to explain metaphysically these 12 human powers or faculties and the process of regeneration as taught by Jesus Christ. The book includes scripture references, an index, and questions for each chapter that help the reader learn how to develop those 12 powers and experience physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual renewal and regeneration. This is one of Fillmore's most profound books and challenges the serious metaphysical student as well as those seeking in-depth understanding of mind, body, and spirit. Cora Dietrich Fillmore wrote Christ Enthroned in Man to help the reader express the principles Charles Fillmore wrote about in the 12 Powers of Man. She gives a brief explanation of the 12 powers, but, more important, she outlines exercises to develop faith and willpower, recognize and use intuition, and let go of unwanted conditions in the body and in life situations. Charles Fillmore was an innovative thinker, a pioneer in metaphysical thought at a time when most religious thought in America was entirely orthodox. He was a lifelong advocate of the open, inquiring mind, and he took pride in keeping abreast of the latest scientific and educational discoveries and theories. Truth is changeless. Those who knew Charles Fillmore best believe that he would like to be able to rephrase some of his observations for today's readers, thus giving them the added effectiveness of contemporary thought. But the ideas themselves, the core of Charles Fillmore's writings, are as timeless now and will be tomorrow as when they were first published. With his wife, Myrtle, Charles Fillmore founded the Unity Movement and Silent Unity, the international prayer ministry that publishes the Daily Word. Charles and Myrtle built the worldwide organization that continues their work today, Unity School of Christianity. Through Unity School's ministries of prayer, education, and publishing, millions of people around the world are finding the teachings of truth that are discovered and practiced by Charles and Myrtle Fillmore.